Good morning, y'all. Let's get ready for the day. So this is a day in the life of a mom, of me, of Jade. So this is Denzel. He's actually getting ready for the day. We're supposed to go to lesson today, but today was a raining day, so couldn't go to lesson. That's it. So it's eating and getting ready. I had to clean the house. Oh, I was trying to fix my tripod. I've been trying to fix this tripod for weeks. I've had it for a long time, but I can't. I don't know why. So I had to just leave it when I couldn't. That's it. And Denzel wants to enter into the camera. He's surprised. He's wondering what am I doing, but that's it. I was trying to fix it. I couldn't, so I had to drop it. And that's it. I cleaned the house. Yeah, Denzel again. I cleaned the room. This is my mom. She's trying to go to the shop. She has to go to the shop and come back in the evening. So this is me trying to clean the house and folding the wrappers and cleaning the dining. Yeah, I'm cleaning. Surprisingly, I don't clean. I just wake up, eat, sit, and get tired. It's not as if I don't clean, but it takes me a while. Like I have 2, 3, 4 days before I actually just maybe it's too dirty. Okay, let me just clean it up. You understand? Whenever it's too dirty. Nowadays, I clean every day, and it's nice to want to do work. That's it, clean. And that's my mom going to the shop, and that's it. And after cleaning the parlor, I had to go to the room. Yeah, I had to go to the room to clean the room. This is me making my bed. Yeah. Then I took my bath, and these are my skincare routines. I'm using a simple hydrating syrup for my face, and I was very fair before I just started using hydrating products. I was using really fair creams, and I don't like my skin, so I had to stop and start using hydrating products. So that's what I'm using right now, and I love my skin. I've not really gotten the full result that I want, but for now it's amazing how I look fresh and nice for now. So yeah, I love my skin right now. It's giving me glassy. Yeah, so this is me putting some white lip. Back to the parlor, sitting, learning, writing my speech. That's it. So this is a day in my life. See you guys next time. Bye.
Dreaming about me.